Salam suara konservasi. Setelah kita pelajari 5 konsep pengembangan wisata alam di Taman Nasional dan Taman Wisata Alam, masih ingat ada 11 contoh video 5 konsep pengembangan wisata alam? Kalau belum, bisa ditonton lagi. Sekarang kita bahas selanjutnya bagaimana teknik menyusun set plan pengembangan pariwisata alam. Tapi sebelumnya, tolong di-subscribe dulu.
There are many considerations that must be analyzed, including 1. ASPL legislation policy, 2. Ecological aspect, 3. Physical and technical aspects, 4. Aesthetic aspects, 5. Socioeconomic and cultural history. Technical aspects that need to be considered are 1. Accessibility, 2. Availability of land resources, 3. Technology application. In the application of technology, the most important are A. Preserving, protecting at the site level. B. Maintaining local cultural heritage, such as traditional settlement patterns and adapting the architectural design of local traditional buildings. C. Using renewable energy sources and materials.
Three, waste treatment plan. Natural tourism business activities. 4. Telecommunication network. The telecommunications network in business space is classified as moderate. It means it's not optimal. Towers need to be held around the area. D. Layout plan for facilities and infrastructure. Based on the spatial plan, the facility and infrastructure layout plan will be developed in all business areas as shown in the following map.
From the analysis of the drone map and 5 aspects, then the layout based on the fitment with their potential, examples of creations recommended to design the physical design, as follows. 1. Gate and ticketing. 2. Parking area. 3. Community empowerment area. 4. Praying facilities. 5. Toilet. 6. Front deck area, reception area. 7. Yoga deck. 8. Restaurant and F&B hub. 9. Cottage. 10. Forest trail.